Hello and welcome to day 2 of this 10-day electric guitar challenge where we're looking at our second easy song. This even uses the same notes as we learned in day 1, but we're shaking up the rhythm a little bit more and learning a riff by classic rock legends AC/DC. Let me know how this course is going for you in the comments below. Remember, you'll find more bonus content 100% free at andyguitar.co.uk. The link for that is at the top of the description. Here's the lesson video. T.N.T. This is by AC/DC. This is a simplified version just played on one string, but it's fantastic for beginners and it does require some finger dexterity. It requires us to use the first finger at fret 3 and the third finger or ring finger at fret 5. So we're going 3, 5, 3, 5, okay? We want to get used to this motion to play electric guitar in general. This is going to be really good for your fingers. And the riff goes 0, 3 with the index, 5 with the ring finger, 3, 5, 3. So it starts off similar to Smoke on the Water, but the rhythm is really different. 0, mute, 3, 5, and then 3, 5, 3 as a quick sequence. 3, 5, 3. And that's where most people go wrong with these kind of riffs. It's the rhythm. Bang, 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 bam, ba-dam, bam. That's what you want to be thinking. Bam, 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 ba-dam, bam. Bam, bam, ba, ba, bam, bam. Bam, bam, ba, ba, bam, bam. Again, just going through the Brown sound setting on my Boss Katana, EQ all at neutral, gain at 5 out of 10, but humbuckers are giving me a very heavy overdrive sound. Single coils would be a lot cleaner. It would sound like this. It would sound a lot cleaner. So if you're getting that sort of sound, if you have that gain control on your amplifier, just turn that up. It should sound a lot more like that. Experiment with the gear that you have to get the sound that you like is my biggest tip. Let's have another go at T.N.T. Ready in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2 rounds. Let's try and go for 4. Ready again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two. Another thing I've just noticed that I'm doing is I'm actually muting all the thinnest 5 strings with the index finger. This is a bit more of an advanced technique, but it means that no other string ever rings out, and it's a really good thing to get used to. That kind of touch, to touch the strings, but not the fretboard, not like this, just like that, because then when we play the open string or fret a note, doesn't matter what I do with my right hand, whether I play them or not, they're not going to ring out. That's a real Chili Peppers technique, actually. John Frusciante does that a lot. Let's go through T.N.T, just the main riff, one more time. I've got a full tutorial for this one, which we'll cover later, but let's just get the riff first of all, and let's get it sounding something like the original recording. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And And that's the end of day 2. Let me know how this is going for you in the comments below. More experienced guitar players, please leave your tips and song suggestions for the learner guitarists out there in the comments as well. Let's help each other out. Remember, you'll find more bonus content on the website at andyguitar.co.uk, 100% for free. The link to that is here. And when you're ready, I'll see you over here for day 3. Best of luck with this course, guys. I'll see you there.